Hey guys, to dealers on how to fix Capcut, not exporting problem. So if you guys are experiencing some issues with warning your videos or photos that you edit on Capcut, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this issue. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so one of the possible methods of it could actually do in order for us to fix this issue is to change the exporting setting. So go ahead and launch the Capcut application, and I want you to proceed to the video that you were trying to export. So in this case, I'm just gonna use maybe this one for an example, and well, one of the main reasons as well. So before we actually change our export settings, I'd like to discuss the option that we could also do, which is to update our application. As you see, this project requires an update. Note that this may consume cellular data, so if you do have an update available to update your account applications to the latest version, you need to go ahead and update the application to its latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are gonna have the best user experience possible. Let's go ahead and check that out. Over in our App Store right here, I want you to search for the Capcut application and basically double check if you have an update available. If you do, I would like you to proceed with updating your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are gonna have the best user experience possible. Once you've done that, of course, basically just waiting for this to load, you can actually go ahead and change your export settings through here. Actually, you can see the resolution, the frame rate, and the code rate as well. So we could also basically go ahead and try to export this right now, as you see right here, and it's now successfully export so well. If you basically solve this issue already, or if you are still experiencing some issues with this, what we can do in order for us to fix this issue is to go ahead and try to access these settings of Capcut itself. So go ahead and tap on the top right corner to tap on the gearbox. Basically, as you see, you could also go ahead and tap on Clear Cache. Tap on OK, and try to go in and export your video one more time. One more thing we could also do is to double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi, if we are stably connected with the internet. Now, this could be a contributing factor as to why we are experiencing this issue. So we could also go in and try our cell data instead of error Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is gonna work better. And that's basically for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.